Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out top headlines and relevant articles on the ESPN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on this home button down below in the left side corner of the screen. After that, scroll down until you find the top headlines section and tap on the relevant headline that you would like to know more about. And after a few seconds, it will be loaded and you will be able to check out the attached videos at the top, as you can see, and also the article itself. As you scroll down, you can check it out. Here are some recommendations that you might like, and you can also proceed either by scrolling down to the bottom, and or you can also use these arrows at the top of the screen to check out the previous and the following articles like this. So tap on the relevant one and here you can proceed. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.